Okay, Karen, help me with this problem, please. So first we need to begin with a y.
Y.
And we need to
a sixth.
take away a sixth of y.
So we're going to make
So when you take away a sixth of y from y, what are you left with?
5/6.
5/6 of y. Good. Now, what does it say next?
Oh, sorry. Plus 3.
Okay. Good. And now?
Equals 2/6
2/6 of y.
of y. 2/6 of y. Plus 9.
Plus 9. Good. Do you see any legal moves we can perform? Okay.
1.
Good. Good. So what do you want to do now?
Now every sixth is 2.
Every sixth of y is how much?
2.
Well, 2, right. 3 of them are 6, so each one is 2. Okay, very good. Would you write down over here 1/6 of y, just like we have it there? 1/6 of y equals 2. So if a sixth of y is 2, how much will y be?
Y would be 12.
12. Okay, please write over here y equals 12. Now, in order to be sure we're correct, we'll have to set up the original problem one more time to do the check. So let's set it up one more time as we had it. So you have 5/6 of y.
5/6 of y.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. Equals to 2/6 of y. Plus 9.
Good. Now, how can we check it?
So wait, this 4, 6, 8, 10, 13, 2, 4, 13.
Okay, so let's write 13 equals 13 for the check. Okay, Karen, very nice.